guys subscribe to my channel, UIA, so I can give you guys good tips on running your own business, having your own boutique, your own store. I want you guys to know that this is not an easy process. You're not going to be successful overnight. It's not overnight success, and you're definitely going to have lots of slow days. Especially if you're upcoming and you don't have you're not really established.
Leaving me lonely. Now I'm sitting here stuck like a people looking at me different. People looking at me funny. Had to put some distance. Had to keep these fake niggas from me.
Hey Dimes, it's your girl Diamond, and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see, we at my store today. We're at UIA, underneath it all by your girl Diamond. And today I'm glad I'm gonna bring y'all on a journey into my store. I hope that you guys already checked out my other video when I showed you guys my store. I did my store tour with you guys, so if you didn't check it out, please go back and check out that video, okay? Because in this video, if you guys are new to my channel, how you guys doing? I'm Diamond. I do a lot of entrepreneur videos, new business videos, hair tutorials, vlogs, and I also have an unsigned critic series that I started on this channel when I go over like all the new music, okay? So yeah, in this episode, this is gonna be a business entrepreneur vlog. So we're at my store, UIA. Follow us on Instagram and all of that good stuff, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be rearranging my store, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I've had this store for about 3 months. It's a new year, and business has been a little slow in the mall, okay? It's a lot more traffic on my online website. Please shop with us on online. But in store, it's pretty slow. This mall is pretty slow, so I'm trying to like spice it up a little bit, change it up a little bit, just to give it a little different vibe for the new year, okay? So I'm gonna take you guys with me, so let's go. Yeah, Dime, so we're in the store now. So the first thing I wanted to work on was my handbag section. As you guys can see, I had all these handbags here. You guys would have seen everything if you checked out the first episode where I gave my store tour. So right here is all the handbags that I have in stock right now at the store. So what I want to do now is rearrange it, probably move my handbags from here and put them over here. I'm guessing over here. I'm thinking about them stockings up there to bring them down onto the floor of the store so you can actually touch them and see them more. And yeah, I have a lot of new ideas that I'm gonna try to bring to the store today. So you guys are gonna be here. You guys can watch me do this work. So like I said, shop UIA, follow UIA, heard. Shop UIA for these nice, beautiful football purses. So yeah, Dom, so we got all the handbags on here. Shop UIA. So I'm thinking I'm going to put them over here in this area. Okay, I have a nice little customer here, so I might have to come back because I have a customer, guys. Yeah, Dom, so now I'm gonna do the same with this shelf back here. try to do a thumbnail. Hello, how you doing? How you doing? Trying to get a thumbnail, y'all. Okay. This thing. Got the booties, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place these. I'm gonna place these up here. We're gonna change these to here. You guys let me know what you think. If y'all think I'm doing a good job or these are good ideas or whatever. Guys, this top is also UIA. It's one of my black rip pieces. Yeah, y'all. So I put the shorts up there. What you guys think? What y'all think of it? Look, that's getting. But this is part of running a business. You got to keep trying to have looks so that you can switch up the swag in my store. Like, I need to switch it up, guys, and I need your help. Subscribe. So the next thing I'm gonna work on is some stockings over there. Let's get them down. These look simple, huh? But you know ain't nothing normal, regular AUIA. No after party, baby. These are super dope. So over there. So basically I'm gonna put everything over here. So we can still have our bourbons on top. Pieces. We're gonna add those to the second part of the show. Let's see how that goes. Vibe now, y'all. I just keep knocking everything over. So yeah, that's a little vibe. These still has to be hung. This has to be hung as well. And so does this little piece. Of how I can do something creative right now. I'm thinking about moving the shelves itself and actually having more hang time spaces so I can add some of my new inventory that's coming in, which is gonna be more merch, more clothing. So I do need to prepare space for there. So we'll see what I come up with. So guys, I decided to take the shorts down from up there and put them on the second row and put the stockings up there. So we're gonna try to see how that looks. We're gonna try that out. Check it out now. Just adding some purses back. This is pretty one of my nice purses, but I'm just adding some back to okay, Dom. So let's see what we came up with. I didn't do much, but I just realized I had bags over here. So I have my racks outside, guys. The racks are out here. The racks are outside. As you can see, I have one over there. One right here. So now, I just changed it up a little bit. Put all the handbags right about here. Still has all the shorts down there. Stock is still laid over there. Her wig's still a little messy. And lashes still there. Alright. So Doms, like I was saying, I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, UIA, so I can give you guys good tips on running your own business, having your own boutique, your own store. I want you guys to know that this is not an easy process. You're not going to be successful overnight. It's not overnight success, and you're definitely going to have lots of slow days. Especially if you're upcoming and you don't have you're not really established. You're gonna have slow days, slow months, and I'm just here to let you guys know to stick in there, don't give up, and keep trying to better your business no matter what you gotta do. As you guys can see, I'm on YouTube now. I tried so many things to try to, even though I have this store and it's so slow, I still need to keep myself busy. You understand? So you have to come up with different ways to keep your business going and also to keep you going so that you can stay motivated, okay? You are the prime provider for your business, and you need to take care of you. You need to be motivated when you wake up in the morning to want to run this business, to open this store. The thing about having your own store is you don't have to come to work every day. You don't have to open up. But the key to having a successful store is you have to come to work every day and you have to open up no matter what, okay? Some of the things I'm getting into now to help build my following and promote my business is Facebook advertisements and stuff. Facebook advertisements, Instagram promotions. I've tried the whole influencer thing. I have videos on some of the influencers that I tried. Do I recommend sending your things to influencers to help boost your business? No, I wouldn't do it. I would just focus on myself and building myself as a brand. As you can see, that's why I started this whole YouTube channel, so you guys can get to know me more. You guys want to support me, whether it's with my unsigned critic or if I decide I want to drop a book, whether you guys want to shop here at my store. If you ever come to Georgia, Atlanta, you want to support me, you want to come to my store, you want to shop with me, whatever it is that I'm doing, I need you guys to support me. So I need to work hard to get you guys to trust in me. So yeah, that's what this whole video is about. And just know, running a store is not easy, as you guys can see. It's very slow, very slow. I'm not gonna act like. I pray that one day it picks up. I'm gonna continue working so that it picks up. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys some of my new merchandise I have coming into the store for like the springtime. I'm gonna amp it up a little bit more, add some more merchandise, some more bags, some more I'm thinking about, you know, adding way more lingerie pieces to my store, and you know, lots of other things. So you guys just stay tuned with Underneath It All by your girl Dominance Me. Y'all know I have lots of videos coming up. I think my next video I'm gonna do is a video of me curling this wig. You guys see me install this wig on my YouTube channel. You guys see me learn how to do makeup on my YouTube channel, so check out all those videos. And if you guys have any other videos you guys would like to see about me running this store, y'all let me know and I'll let y'all know what's up. Hit subscribe on my channel if you want to see more of this. Amen. And tell a friend about my channel. Follow me on Instagram at DYMONTHASLAYER. Follow my business page at u.i.abyzymon. Shop with me on www.underneathitallbydiamond.com. And yeah, stay lit. I'm just gonna eat this salad, see if I have any customers coming here today. Today is Super Bowl Sunday. I was thinking about vlogging my Super Bowl experience because my boyfriend loves the Super Bowl. So I'll see how I feel after this, how quick I could edit this video, and we might have a Super Bowl video coming up. Period. Later, Doms. Bye.